Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change password on Facebook. So for this purpose, first you need to open Facebook app on your mobile device. Then here at the bottom right corner, you have menu button, tap on it. Then you are here on this menu page. Here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of setting, tap on it. Then here you need to click on see more in account center option. Then on this page you have some different options. You simply need to tap on password and security. And here you have the option of change password. You simply need to click on it. And from here choose that account of which you want to change password. So for changing password, you just have to enter current password, new password and then retype new password. But if you forgot your old password, then click on forgotten your password option. Here you have some different ways to log in. Select any by your own and then click on continue. So this is very simplest and easiest way to change password on Facebook. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.